Greetings, fellow viewers. The name is Nathan. I am Miss Smith's friend. And as you were wondering, she told me how curious you little ones are. Like how to cook something in the air fryer. Well, little ones, you're in luck. Because we have a little flashback for you to see. Activate Video Encyclopedia Section A for air fryer.
Hi, I'm Miss Smith, as you know, and my friend here is Nathan. Nathan, would you like to tell everyone what we're going to learn how to do today?
Well, gladly, Miss Smith. Today I'll be teaching you folks how to use an air fryer. For example, tonight I have some fries and some popcorn shrimp with me. First, before you start cooking, you plug this thing in and power it on. Now what you want to do before you put your food in there, set it for 20 minutes. Then, there you go.
So why do we set it for 20 minutes?
To warm it up.
How long do you warm it up for?
To warm it up for 5 minutes.
So you stop it at 15 minutes then?
Correct. Alright, please note, when your air fryer gets to 15 minutes, that is your cue to put your lunch or dinner in.
Because it's heated up, right?
Bingo.
Okay.
Now, watch and learn what I'm doing. Carefully open up this air fryer. You can either start with the main course or the sides. Your choice. But for me, I usually start with the main course and then the sides. As I told you before, these are the fries, and the ones that's already inside this air fryer are popcorn shrimp.
What are you doing there?
Straighten them up.
Oh, is that what you should do?
Yeah, just make sure that you're clear before you do so.
Okay,
Like
and
it says, no one too close.
This is hot too, right?
Yes. it
So
is hot.
everyone should be really careful
Yep.
because you can burn yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
Please note, before you shake this air fryer, make sure that no one is close to you. Or if you have a friend with you that's like a partner, you can keep them close to you. Now, for the important part, once you press the start button, you have to wait 5 more minutes. Once this thing gets to 10, you'll stop. Observe. See? Now you have about 10 minutes. Welcome again. As you can see, my 5 minutes are up. Before you place your food, you must need a plate with some napkins. I'll observe for you. So, this is my plate, and this is the napkin I'm using. First, before you do put the food on this plate, you must simply put this napkin under it. And then, carefully get the food out. As you can see, I'm being extremely careful. And now just put it back in and power down. And that, my friends, is how you use an air fryer. So I hope you enjoyed this lovely lesson.
And that was cooking with Miss Smith and
Nathan French.
call us when you need us.